Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting essential things ready. Turn the MG Hector's ignition to accessory or on so the head unit powers up, and use a high-quality USB-C cable, or enable wireless mode if supported. Open Android Auto on your phone and grant location, phone, and notification permissions. These let apps and navigation work. Once done, plug into the car's USB port or tap the car's wireless pairing, and select the Android Auto source on the infotainment screen to initiate the handshake. Now focus on the detailed authorization flow. When the phone and MG head unit prompt, accept the projection and media permissions so audio and navigation route through the car. On your phone, pick default apps for maps, music, and messaging so Android Auto launches them automatically. This avoids app switching while driving. Make sure steering wheel buttons and voice command access are enabled in the car settings. That lets you control navigation and calls hands-free. If you see an update prompt, install it to ensure compatibility. You're ready to use Android Auto. Start navigation or play music and use voice commands to keep your hands on the wheel. Make sure routes and media audio route through the car speakers. If not, check the infotainment audio source. Customize quick access apps on the Android Auto launcher for faster use. Finally, one key troubleshooting tip. If connection fails, reboot your phone first, then try a different high-quality USB cable. If issues persist, update the phone app and the MG Hector firmware to resolve compatibility bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.